So, coming in from our last week update from Bitcoin, wherein we said that we are likely to bounce at 47,500. Well, we did get that initially, and then we did stutter a bit on the mid 55,000, no? But eventually we broke upwards just kahapon lang. Uh, and by that, we actually made a doji-like candle sa monthly. Kahapon nag-close yung month, bagong month na May na pala. So what are we seeing here? So wherever this last 6 months break is going to be pivotal kung magkakaroon tayo ng continuation on a monthly or not, no? As, which is that is 65,000, which is the all-time high of 64,986 dito sa Binance ko, no? And that's with the low of 46,930. So, kung ano yung makuha na, ma-take out natin, is probably going to be the direction on the next coming months. Now, let's go down to the bi-weekly. I want to go down to my time frames now. Tayo na sa 2 minute. So, 3 weeks actually looks very bullish, if you ask me. Having that wick around, it is bullish. Tingnan ko lang momentum oscillators. RSI is still up there. Nothing new stochastics. Yeah, loss of momentum, but still up. I want to go to the bi-weekly, which is one of my top indicators, actually losing this critical zone on the bi-weekly. Now we are bouncing on it. No, defending the edge of the bullish control zone. Now, we haven't yet made a bi-weekly backfill. So this one is going to be pivotal sa next week close, no, which is May 10. That is in next week pa. So Monday. Actually Sunday pala. Mas Sunday next week Sunday. So if we are able to engulf this previous candle, no, that would mean taking out the monthly to the upside then, no. So if you ask me, everything above here is a short from 60,000, which is a gap fill pag sa CME, no. So yeah, I'm gonna be looking for shorts around this region, only because I'm still sticking to my that we have a local high. We are building a local high. I could be easily very wrong on there, pero madali lang i-risk manage to kasi stop loss mo lang is 65K, no. Na if we do pumunta tayo dito sa taas, I do think that we are going, we the bears have to break 48K, and I don't think 44,000 will hold, and we'll eventually get to 438 and even possibly 33, no. But matagal pa yun. We have to play it level by level. Let's go to the 4-day. Okay, 4-day Bollinger Band is also upside. Nothing to see here. In fact, short-term momentum going to bounce up. We did not make a 4-day new lower low on the 4-day. We did not close a 4-day below 51,000. Wow. Wow. I have to take out of this. May 05. So Wednesday magka-close to, no? This is, okay, the 886 is there. Yeah, itong 4-day is going to be the next pivotal moment for here. So ang low nito of 57,410, 3-day. 3-day is the same thing with the 4-day, except it made a lower low compared to this one. 2-day. Yeah. So yung 4-day lang ang merong bullish argument, no? Kasi 2-day, 3-day magkapareho. And of course, the daily, we made a downtrend. But now we have reversed that downtrend into a daily rally. And we're now going to look for a swing, swing high around this region of resistance. I don't see loss of momentum yet in the lower time frames. Doesn't look like it wants to lose 58,000. No. When I look at the 12-hour, no rejection, no signs of rejection. Um, that's on our the 10-hour cloud is just poking through. The 12-hour cloud has resistance right here, but it doesn't look like it's rejecting because the 10-hour poked through already. Same with the 8-hour. I do think the 6-hour broken the cloud and the 6-hour 200 as well. The 4-hour 200 is much lower, broken it. So yeah, this is the kind of thing that I know where everyone is looking to be bearish or no. Um, no loss of momentum yet. Let's see. In fact, we are hanging above the VWAP. We are hammering the daily resistance above here now. So as long as that's happening, as long as we're above 57,600 in the 15 minutes, there is no reason to be bearish. And let's say na nag-breakdown yun, no? 57,400. We're just going to look for a retracement around 56.9. I do think that will still be a buy opportunity. So yeah, I don't see any top information here. I do think we're going to 60,000 to 62. We're going to fill that gap on the CME. Which is this one. Yep, we did close below here, no? Baka mag-open tayo dito, gap into gap. Yeah. So, let's discuss my trade here on the Bitcoin. Kasi nagkamali rin ako, no? I did sold around this level, 55,500. Was initially good. I did get stopped out around 53,400. But what did happen is, it actually, wait lang. It actually just turned into a higher low when everyone is looking lower toward 51K, 50,000, no? I do think this one retraced to the 382. Let's see. Uh-huh. Yeah. When the rally is strong, it will retrace to 382. Everyone is looking for the 618, no? Around 50,000, but this didn't happen. So that's why we're now looking for an ABC towards the upside. Something like that. Um let's see. Let's look for our fib extension right there. No. Because that is 618. It's a one-to-one extension. Uh, let's actually use trend-based fib here. Trend-based fib, where are you? So ayan. One-to-one is 62,000. Um, using the wicks, no? And I do like using the wicks in crypto. We're at the 618 region. Area of interest is this 61,200, which will obviously fill the gap. Huh. I wanna see what does normal fib retracement does. Completely different, no? Yeah. So 62,000 around here. I want to check the whole favorite retracement here. And we're looking for the 786. Uh-huh. Where is the bi-weekly backfill? 60k, no? 60k is the bi-weekly backfill, right? The last week, okay, the last week that is also 60,000. Uh, Maybe I'm wrong in this Fibonacci read. Okay, never mind that. I'll stick to my horizontals, which is the bi-weekly backfill. I want to mark that out. That's very, very important. Um, Importante ba itong naka-yellow highlight na to? Uh, let's move it. Yep. So this is the bi-weekly backfill, 60k, no? Do I just short there blindly? No. I'll be looking for a loss of momentum in the low time frames. Uh-huh. Right now, we're not seeing any of that. Let's look at our RSI. We're building divergence. Could easily we're even making a ascending triangle here. So not much. Historical HVP is contracting. Um, Looking for a breakout there. Stochastics hanging around the above that buy zone. No loss of momentum found here, which makes me think that yeah, which makes me think we are going to get into this level. Um, 60k is going to be a psychological barrier as well. So I'll be watching that. I hate trading on weekend as well, but that looks like a good area to at least try a swing. No, remember this region to this area is the whole gap. So the whole gap on the CME, pero naka-close rin naman, so medyo useless, is this between this box level, right? So, mafe-fill natin yung gap if we do this. We may actually test this before falling down back to CME open, or we continue upwards and then make a gap. Um, that would make everyone very bullish. It's tough market if you ask me, no? Tough trades. In fact, my last four trades have already been poorly executed. Not poorly executed, but poorly on the wrong side. Of course, I did not lose a lot of money because I'm quick to cut my losses there. But yeah, if you ask me kung ano probable, what I would love to play is a rejection around the bi-weekly level. Or a retracement towards around this level, or a retracement towards this before continuing up. That would be nice, no? Towards 55,000. But you don't always get what you want. So market, so I'll stay patient. Um, I definitely am. I'm still in some out, so I'm still doing fine on this, and I'm still in Bitcoin. Let's check out our altcoins quickly. Ethereum breaking up the rising wedge towards the upside. This is so choppy, and it is very very choppy. The BTC chart is mas madaling tingnan. which, yeah, my horizontals got the bottom around here. If you were able to buy around this level, so I did not. Nantok na ako kagabi. I was not interested trading the market kasi sobrang choppy talaga. This is the time na sinishake out ni Bitcoin lahat ng moves. Um, yeah, it did bounce here. We are below the 421. If you can get accumulated here and then try higher, no? Mm, but that would mean Bitcoin. I don't think Bitcoin and Ethereum will go up together. Let's see. Link is just floating upwards. This one definitely tilted me. No. Um, good box of accumulation around here after breaking out. So there's that. But the breakout from the breakout is not that explosive, just 4%. For an altcoin, that's nothing. It's almost akin to a swing failure pattern mix. Hanap nga tayo maganda setup. Wala eh. I wanna see this coins retrace back to the daily 21. Oh my goodness, ano nangyari ito? Ang gulo ng chart ko. Maybe I was in swing trading this intraday. Well, anyway, BNB is still on the way towards the upside, breaking out. Kaya ako nag-convert ng BNB. So, I'll still be expecting, where is it? $700 and then 850. Si Cake, one of my best trades, still holding the range. I'll be concerned if we lose the 4R21. That will start to look bad. I'll be looking for the 12R to take over. That will be around the 35 region in the next structure hot low. Polkadot. I'm out of my trades mostly here after Bitcoin faking me out on the 53K. So I lost on this trade a lot. Pero it's still below resistance, but it looks like lagging to me. And it's probably gonna continue follow the market if we're gonna break up. But this is a very hard environment to trade at the moment. Same with Bitcoin. It's very important as a trader, you know that. When you see your plans are not working out, you're not getting their setups that you want. Kaya ako ng setup na to eh. Kasi sobrang choppy ng Bitcoin which makes odds unpredictable as well. Unless if you want to trade, you can trade the BTC chart, the alt BTC. I think mas responsive siya. Yeah. So look at how good the cloud is. This one's still getting rejected by the Tenkin. The resistance on the clouds. Yeah, fake out there as well. So pini. Huh. Yeah, I think that's all for now. Kasi so just a quick summary na lang natin, no. No loss of momentum yet. As long as Bitcoin is holding that 4R200 SMA or the 1R21, there is about 56,600. I'll be looking at this as a bullish accumulation, just hammering 58K and likely to test above 60,000. If 56,500 is lost on the 1 hour or 57,000 is lost on the 4 hour, I'll be looking for a retrace back to 55,000 and possibly even weak to this 4 hour tawag ito, 4 hour midline cloud. But we honestly exhausted na tong cloud na to. No? I don't like trading this anymore. So if I'm going to use, I have to use another strategy, which is just plain horizontal na lang. So yeah, So I'll be looking for this to generate test this red box. If not, I'll be looking for this to test this. Let's just put a green box there para mapakita ko next week this region. Uh, this one is thin support, but the strongest support is around this level. Ha, mali. Ano ba yan? It's clearly in this region. As long as we are holding this region, that is 53,000, around 52,500. So, which is our previous low. I think that's it for now. Um, yeah, green box and red box. All right.